Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 37. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this top row now, we're missing a 2. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got the 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 9, no help here, 2, 8, 9, and no help here, 2, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 7. We've got the 7 here. I don't see any other help, so 1, 2, 5. 1 and a 7 here, so 2, 5. 7 here, so 1, 2, 5, and that means the only place our 7 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 5. No help here, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 here, so 2, 4, 5. 3 and 4 here, so 2, 5. 2 and 4 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 5, 9. 8 and 1 here, so 5, 9. 9 here, so 1, 5, 8. 1 and 9 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 5, 8, 9. 5 and 9 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 1. No, we're not. We're missing 6, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so 6, 8. 6 and 7 here, so 8, 9. 6 and 9 here, so 5, 8. But now if we look at this row, the only place the 5 can be is here. That means we can get rid of this 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 8. We've got the 2 and 7 here, so 4, 8. Just the 2 here, so 4, 7, 8. And now we need to do some looking here. So in this box now, the only place a 7 can be is here. And the only place a 4 can be is here. And with that 4, we can get rid of this 4. For this row, the only place the 4 can be is here. For this row, the only place the 6 can be is here. For this row, the only place the 3 can be is here, and that means the only place the 5 can be is here. And that 5 makes this our 9. Let's do some cleanup. With that 5, we can get rid of this 5, and with that 9, this 9. So that means that our 1 is here. And that 1 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. This 5 also makes this our 2, so this is our 1. With that 2 and 3, this is our 5. That makes this our 2. The 1 and 2. Oh, let's see. There's a mistake somewhere. All right. Well, that'll do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.